Sometimes we accidentally send an email to the wrong person, or we accidentally send the email and we haven't completed typing everything we needed to type. In this event, you may try to recall the email. For example, in my navigation pane, if I click the Sent Items folder, there's a record of everything I've sent. And if I've accidentally sent this email to the wrong person, I'll quickly open up the email, and from the Actions button in the Move group, I'll click the Actions button and I'll choose the option Recall this message. When I click Recall this message, it will try and delete unread copies of the message on the recipient's inbox, or it will delete unread copies and replace it with a new message. I'll just want to delete the unread copy of the message if the recipient hasn't read it yet, so I'll click OK. And this will send out an attempt to try and recall the message from the person's inbox. You really have to be quick at doing this, and if the person has read the email, it will not work. And if the person is on a different system to yours, it's not likely to work at all. But you could try. And then I'll just hit the X to close this particular email. Sometimes you send an email to somebody and they say they didn't receive it, in which case you may want to open up the message and go to the Actions button in the Move group and resend this message. If I click Resend, I'm able to click the Send button and resend this message to the person. But if I want it to be known that I did send this message at a certain date and a certain time, I might close this message. And what I'll do instead is I'll go to the Respond group and I'll click Forward. And I'll forward it to the same person, but here further down in the message area, they can see I did send this message on this date at this time, and I'll resend it to the same person.